In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a dentist dental clinic website in WordPress and Elementor step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This tutorial is perfect for dentists, dental clinics, or anyone building a professional healthcare website for a client. We'll use WordPress, the Astra theme, and Elementor to create a clean, modern, and fully customizable dental clinic website in just a short amount of time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more WordPress and Elementor tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your website, including themes, plugins, and content. Once you're inside the dashboard, we'll start by installing a lightweight and fast theme that works perfectly with Elementor. Next, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Astra. Astra is one of the most popular WordPress themes and is widely used for business websites, including dental clinics. Click Install, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. This will set Astra as your active theme. Now that the theme is ready, we need to install the plugins required to build the site visually. Go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Elementor, install it, and activate it. Elementor is the page builder that allows you to customize your website without writing any code. After that, search for Starter Templates by Astra, install it, and activate it as well. This plugin gives us access to professionally designed website templates. Once the Starter Templates plugin is activated, go back to Appearance and click on Starter Templates. Choose Elementor as your page builder when prompted. In the search bar, type Dentist Clinic. You'll see several professionally designed dental website templates. Browse through them and choose the one that best fits your clinic's branding and layout preferences. After selecting your template, click Continue and follow the setup steps. This usually includes uploading your logo, choosing colors, and selecting fonts. You can skip or adjust these settings if you prefer to customize everything later. When you're ready, click Complete Setup. The demo content will now be imported automatically. Once the import is finished, visit your website by clicking Visit Site. You'll now see a fully designed dentist dental clinic website with pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact already created for you. Now comes the most important part, customization. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, find the home page, and click Edit with Elementor. Elementor will open, allowing you to visually edit every section of the page. You can click on any text to change it, update images, and add your own dental clinic information. Make sure to update your clinic name, address, phone number, email, and working hours. You can also edit service sections to list treatments like teeth cleaning, dental implants, orthodontics, and cosmetic dentistry. Elementor makes it easy to adjust spacing, colors, buttons, and layouts, so your site looks professional and trustworthy. After customizing your pages, don't forget to click Update to save your changes. Take some time to review your site on desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a dentist dental clinic website in WordPress and Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.